You've touched on this idea that currently the scheme of things is build and get it out and see what happens. So, and with Elementor, you guys put a large emphasis on debug the process, check if this thing's working correctly. How do you balance that desire of moving fast, being first to market, with giving individuals time to like, hey, let's iron out all the issues before we launch?
Yeah, I think it's a very good question because, you know, there's this sort of sentiment that let's just launch stuff, get it out there, and if there's issues, yeah, we'll sort it out. So what I can say is we are not really big fans of launching platforms quickly that are full of bugs. Like we feel that that's not the right way to do it, and we always prefer to do things properly, right? And there's a number of reasons for that, but I think the main thing is that you want to have something quality, and you've got one real chance to engage with the user. And if their experience is bad or if there's bugs or whatever, it creates a very bad first impression. So we don't like this. Launch it, even if it's got bugs, and then we'll fix the bugs once it's live. And users kind of need to bear with it. We don't like that. And then we also don't want to build something very quickly, scrap it together, hack it together, and then test it, and then throw it away. We prefer to do it, structured correctly from the start. And so even if the MVP is minimal in terms of the number of features and functionality, we still want to make sure that this platform is structured for growth and we can build onto it. We don't want to just build something, test it, and then rebuild it. It's quite a costly exercise. You're going to go backwards. So with a bit more effort up front and a bit more of a thorough approach, you can still get away with an MVP, but then you can just use that as a solid foundation for building things on top of that in the future. And then in terms of the speed, right? Again, it's a speed versus quality balance. So again, if you want to build a quality product, even if it's an MVP, you can sacrifice speed up to a certain point, but you don't want to do it, where it compromises the quality of the product. So what we typically do is we'll do a lot of things in parallel on the project. So for example, we'll do interface design and we'll do backend development and maybe like designing the database at the same time. These things can run in parallel. And then that way you're shortening the project's overall time and you're still able to get to market fairly quickly.